So in the last video, we drove 1,000 miles to pick up this 1988 Checkmate Starflight. I paid $2,300 for this boat. We had a blowout on the way back. You guys can see here, this seat has no coring, so it makes this to be all whipped. This is just not right. You guys can see here, it's all rotten. Right. All right. Seats are off. Now you can see how rotten this is. All right, guys, so it's the next day. I went to Home Depot and I got my 1/2-inch plywood that I'm gonna be using to replace the floors. I pretty much got everything stripped out. You guys see here, I just gotta get my vacuum, my shop vac, and clean it up. Clean up the edges a little bit, but this is going to be the only section that I'm replacing on the floor. I got the floor pretty much cut out to exactly how I need it. I'm glassing the bottom to seal it. If you guys are going to do a job like this, I recommend buying some gloves. Don't work like me. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a professional fiberglass guy. This is just something I like doing for fun, because I'm always going to get those comments. You have no idea what you're doing. I know. So the floor is ready for the new coring. I'm gonna start cleaning it with some acetone, and then I'm gonna lay down the new plywood that I cut out, and I glassed already the bottom side. So now what I'm gonna do is get some shop strand and Cavasil mixed with resin. We're ready to start glassing the floor into the hall. Everything's clean. You guys can see here I got some putty and this is shop strand mixed with resin, and I sanded it down so everything is officially one piece and is ready to be glassed with some shop strand matting. It looks good. It's just that the core is rotted.
You see that?
Yeah.
They use regular upholstery staple.
We're going to have to change that. Now, from what I'm feeling here, bro, this whole thing is...
Yeah, everything
is done. What's going on with this? All right. Yeah. The foam that they use.
So those seats are black. If I reupholster those to match this,
okay, we can do that.
maybe.
Yeah, as long as it's better condition than
But part of me also, depending on what you say, because you see the paint, I might want to paint it the same color as my dad's Dante.
Okay.
All black, and do the same style, red in the interior.
Beautiful. Okay.
Same as that, copying his boat.
Right.
So black on the outside with the red stripes,
Okay.
and then red in the interior, all black, and paint everything. With the speaker inserts. This is like the most important thing for me.
Okay.
Because I want to put these speaker inserts. This is something I made from my old Checkmate.
Right.
This is how I did it.
Right.
But I wanted it to be more professional.
Okay. You want to put the speakers and everything in the sides over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
The floor, I had ran out of resin halfway through the build, and then it started raining. So this is about a week later. I still haven't glassed in the floor 100%. Still haven't glassed the floor in 100%. I gotta let it all dry, clean it up again, sand it down again, and then start glassing. Some new glass tomorrow. But there's oxidation everywhere, guys. I'm gonna try to polish it out. If it doesn't come out, I don't know if I'm gonna repaint it or I'm just gonna rock it like this. So originally when we bought the boat, I told myself, we're just gonna polish her up and we're gonna leave her exactly how it is with the seats and everything the way it is. Unfortunately, the seats are rotten. So now I don't know. Do I take the seats apart carefully and redo the coring of the seats and then wrap it again and it stays with this same style? Or should we change the seats and put the same seats that I have on the Talon that are a lot more comfortable, and it won't match 100%? But then if it doesn't match, I can get everything reupholstered with one to match the back, all in red, carbon fiber red, to match my dad's Donzi. Since it's black and red, I think red interior will look good. Let me know what you guys think. Should I keep the patina or should I paint her? Because if I'm gonna put new seats, I kind of don't want to see this fading. I'd rather paint it all that nice pearl black like my dad's Donzi. I'm not sure, guys. So I went to Harbor Freight. They were having a sale and I got some polishing pads. This is what they got. Some finish compounds. This is ultra glaze cutting compound. So I'm gonna try to polish it and keep it like this. I'm not sure what to do. Please help me out. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys need any upholstery work, hit up my buddy Juan. He does amazing work. He's here locally. Tell him Boat Vibes sent you. In the next video, we're gonna polish her up and we're gonna see how she looks. So stay tuned.
Interested in the food more than the boat ride.